Carburization is the process of high-temperature diffusion saturation of the surface layer of a steel product with atomic carbon in order to harden the surface and increase wear resistance. As a rule, carburization is carried out at temperatures above the AC3 point, when austenite is stable and carbon is able to dissolve in it in large quantities. After carburization, the product is hardened and tempered, as a result of which it acquires the required properties. Alloy and low-carbon steels are subjected to carburization since the latter are practically not strengthened by hardening. The thickness of the carburized layer is usually 0.5–1.8 millimeters. Carburization is carried out in a solid based on charcoal or gas based on carbon monoxide or methane carburizer, in a fluorized bed, electrolyte solution, or pastes. Carburization is used to improve the mechanical properties of the surface of gears, pins, shafts, axles, levers, worms, and other parts.